Okay, we're starting at this end where Siri thinks she has an advantage by hiding behind the blinds. She doesn't really, but she thinks she does. Then we move along to Mr. Oscar, who says, "So what if there's birdies?" Then there's Stormy. Stormy doesn't care about the sparrows. Stormy only cares about the pigeons and the doves. He wants the big birds. And Windy just left us. So, does Stormy get a big bird? Does he get one? Where are those birds? Where are they, Stormy? Where are those birds, Stormy? Where are they? Do you know? Where are those birds? Windy thinks she knows. Do you know, Windy? Do you know, Windy? Where did the birdies go? Where did they go? Storms? Where did the birdies go? You don't know? They're flying up there? Are they flying? Are they flying? Or are they just on Nana's gutter? Let us take a quick look. What is that I see? That would be your pigeon looking down at us. That would be him. Is that your pigeon? Is it? Is that your pigeon? Is it?